Happy
Go.
New Year! Only good vibes in 2023.
I want to flex my love. I want to impress. And I want to carry my love to a place she loves. I'm